This is a chair. This is a chair. Repeat. This is a chair. This is a book. This is a book. Repeat. This is a book. This is a book. This is a table. This is a table. Repeat. This is a table. This is a table. This is a door. Repeat. This is a door. This is a door. This is a window. Repeat. This is a window. This is a window. Now you do it. This is a chair. This is a book. This is a door. This is a window. When we ask a question, this and is change places. Is this a table? Repeat. Is this a table? Is this a table? Yes, this is a table. Repeat. Yes. This is a table. Is this a chair? Repeat. Is this a chair? Is this a chair? Yes, this is a chair. Repeat. Yes, this is a chair. Yes, this is a chair. Is this a book? Repeat. Is this a book? Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is this a door? Repeat. Is this a door? Is this a door? Yes, this is a door. Now you try. Is this a door? Is this a table? Is this a chair? Very easy. One more thing. If you see a before a noun, it means that this noun is not a particular one. For example, my laptop has broken. I have to buy a new laptop. We talk not about a particular laptop, but about some other new laptop. Or another example. I wanted to be a banker when I was a kid. We're not talking about a particular banker. We're just talking about a job. Very important, do not drop A's from the sentence. Repeat everything I say. Very soon, you will understand how to use a. B. B. Is. Is. This. This. A book. A book. A chair. A chair. A table. A table. A door. A door. A window. A window. Yes. Yes. Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is this a chair? Yes, this is a chair. Is this a table? Yes, this is a table. Is this a door? Yes, this is a door. Is this a window? Yes, this is a window. A cell phone. A cell phone. A tablet. A tablet. A laptop. A laptop. A floor. A floor. A ceiling. A ceiling. Or. Is this a cell phone? Yes, this is a cell phone. Is this a tablet? Yes, this is a tablet. Is this a laptop? Yes, this is a laptop. Is this a floor? Yes, this is a floor. Is this a ceiling? Yes, this is a ceiling. Is this a cell phone or a tablet? This is a cell phone. Is this a tablet or a laptop? This is a laptop. Is this a floor or a ceiling? This is a floor. Is this a chair or a table? This is a chair. Is this a door or a window? This is a door. Is this a book or a tablet? This is a tablet. Is this a door or a laptop? This is a door. Is this a window or a chair? This is a chair. What? What? That. That. What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? What is this? This is a book. What is that? That is a door. What is this? This is a chair. What is that? That is a window. Is that a window or a door? That is a door. Is this a book or a cell phone? This is a cell phone. Is this a cell phone or a laptop? This is a laptop. What is this? This is a tablet. What is that? That is a table.